It's now 1:45. It's now 1:50. I'm trying to get dressed.
You're not wearing pants.
I'm not wearing pants. We're now about to hit the road. Alright, quick pit stop at Sheetz. Then we're gonna be on the road again. Joshua is putting out gas on his car. Rainier's getting food. And I think CJ's around the store somewhere. This boy happy.
Sheetz got soft serve now. Look at this soft serve. Ice cream from Sheetz. I'm so happy. Eat my soft serve first. Dessert before lunch. Ow, my tongue.
So CJ, what just happened?
We almost got in a car wreck, so I dropped the fry. Okay. Car wreck.
He was holding it weird.
I was holding it normal.
He was holding it from the bottom. Like and then he let it go and it went on Josh's side. No, he's picking it up. That was really good.
We just made it. We parked here, found a parking place, and we're about to walk to John Mayer's concert.
Yeah, bro. We're at the
That was Mayday Parade.
Purpose, the world tour.
So it's raining. We're in DC. We're now just going to Kinko's to print Rainier's and CJ's tickets for the concert, for Justin Bieber's concert, and it's gonna be fun. It's raining. Oh wait, I said
it's not a sin no more. It's not the storm before calm. This is the deep and dark day. It's not that we've been working on. Can't see no.
we're now on the way to our place to rest. I have to poop. Okay. We just got to the place we're staying at tonight. Trying to get situated right now. I guess we'll see what we're doing tomorrow. Yeah.
Why are you laughing, bro? Why are you laughing? What are you laughing at, bro? How's that feel?
It's really good.
So we're about to go to, I think, Kung Fu Tea to get some boba, and then we're about to hit up the city. Yeah, so stay tuned. Gang gang. Blah, blah.
don't know where my phone went.
No, it's not in there.
Where'd you leave it? So right now we just finished getting what's it, our tea, and yep, and we're heading to DC right now. I think we might take an Uber there, so yep, that's the plan.
CJ, where are we at?
We're at an exhibit. I don't really know what it is actually. It's like an what is it?
Freer Slackler.
That's what it is.
Smithsonian. It's an Asian art gallery. So you know, doing it for the culture. Gang gang. About to see some Peacock Room remix. You know, if we come here tomorrow, we could have seen the Utamaro Uzumaki. Oh my god.
Wow, we switched seats. This boy tired. We're gonna, what are we gonna do?
Doing No, we're just heading back home now. Back to the 919.